Some days ago, I made a post that you should go and connect your EVM wallet for SoSoValue Season 2 Airdrop withdrawal. So yes, SoSoValue is going to be distributing come January. That is why you need to connect your wallet. I've seen some individuals asking me how do they get to connect their wallet. If you open this message now, you can see the people that are there. They are asking how can they connect. So that is why I'm making this video. I'm going to show you how you get to connect your wallet. Now, if you're not on this my Telegram channel, I guarantee you're missing out on a lot of updates. So the first step to connecting, you can use any decentralized wallet of your choice. You could use OKX Web3 wallet. Let's first of all check. You can see this is my SoSoValue here. So the first thing is make sure that you are already registered on SoSoValue. If you are not, check the description box of this video. My registration link is there. Now you can use OKX Web3 wallet, which is my favorite. You can use Bitget Wallet, you can use MetaMask, you can use Trust Wallet, you can use a lot of decentralized wallet out there. So for the sake of this video, I'm going to use OKX Web3 Wallet. Like I said, it's my favorite. And I just created this wallet today, fresh, specifically for this airdrop. That is one of the best practices when you're participating in airdrops. Always create new wallets for every airdrop that you participate in to avoid all of these hacks and the likes and all of those things that you guys, face. Now, this is my screen here. The next thing you want to do is once this page loads up, you come back to this explore. This explore is very important. So what I'm going to do is I come over to this explore and I should get a search bar, a browser kind of. Now on this page, I'm going to hit on this search. So once I go there, what you want to type in is sosovalue.com, or for an easier method, if you're registered on SoSoValue already, go into your SoSoValue, copy your registration link and paste it in there. So I'm going to type sosovalue.com. Okay. All right. I have it in my keyboard here. So.com. Now I'm going to wait for this to load up. Once it loads up, you can see head to third party websites. Now I'm going to tap on this. I already accessed this site before, so I don't think they should show me any warnings. But if you are accepting or if you are coming to this site for the first time, they are going to show you a warning. Make sure to go through it. In fact, it's one of the best practices. Anytime you're connecting your wallet to a protocol, always read the warnings they give. These are one of the reasons or one of the ways people get hacked easily without knowing, because you don't even check to see the permissions that they are requesting for. So once you're on this page, what you want to do is to tap on this EXP. All right, I'm going to tap on this EXP here, and they are going to require me to log in or to sign up. You can use any of the sign up method. I don't know why this is slow. You can use any of the sign up method either by putting in your email and your password, or use your Google, use your Telegram, use your X, or whichsoever. For this video, I'm going to be using my Google. So once you're on this page, you switch it from this sign up here to this login. So let's switch it. Now, once it's switched up, a captcha should display here. I should already accept the captcha before I'll be able to tap on this Google and access it, because I used my Google to sign up. Now, for some reason, I stayed on this page for I think about 20 to 30 minutes, and it did not work. Like even after I verified this, their cloud capture, whatever, I tapped on this, it did not work. So the alternative method that I'm going to show you, this might not work for some of you. You might require to use VPN. But if you're using a wallet like Bitget Wallet, it is going to work, yes. Or MetaMask, it is going to work. I don't know why it is not working with this OKX today, even though OKX is my best wallet. So you can see, let's tap on this verify. After verifying, you're gonna see, all right, it is verified. Now I tap on this Google. It is supposed to show me my email. Then I select, but for some reason it did not work. So because of that, this is the alternative. We are still going to use OKX Web3 Wallet, but here's what we'll do. I'll head directly into my SoSoValue application right now. All right, this is my SoSoValue application, so I'll head into it. Now, once you're on this page, what you want to do is to tap on this hamburger menu at the top right of your screen. Once you tap on it, you come over to account settings. Once you come to account settings, you can see I've already linked Google, I've linked Telegram, I've linked X, but I did not link email, phone number, and the likes. So what you want to do now is to select Connect Wallet. Once you select it, all the wallets that is on your phone that accepts this or that is compatible is going to display. So you see, let it load up. Now this is the page here. So you can see this is my OKX wallet showing. In case maybe your wallet is not showing here, let's say you want to use Bitget wallet or any other wallet and it is not displaying here, you can simply tap on this all wallet. Once you tap on all wallets, you can see the other wallets are going to display here. Then you can pick the one you want to use. For this my video, I'll be using this OKX wallet. So let's tap on OKX wallet. This link should redirect me now into that my OKX wallet that I initially wanted to use. Right, as you can see, this is the screen. Now, best practices, always make sure to go through this. You can see, look at what they say. SoSoValue.com wants to sign in with your Ethereum wallet, blah, 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 by connecting. So make sure to go through all of these things. You'll see the permissions they require. You can see, this is it. So once you've gone through that, I'm going to click on confirm. And okay, request on my password. I'm going to go ahead and put it in now. After putting in my password, I'll go ahead and confirm. All right, you can see connected, return to the app. So what we're going to do now is to return into my source of value to see. So here is my source of value. By now, this place should be displaying a little bit of my wallet address if it's connected. So I don't know what is going on, but before we try it again, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to exit from this page and come back here. Sometimes it might be some, minor kind of issues or the likes. So let me close this my application and open it again. All right, so I have exited my application and open it again, and the wallet is still not displaying. Let's go ahead and try the connection once more. Okay, you can see when I tried connection, you can see the wallet address has now displayed. So that is basically the simple way to connect your wallet on this source of value. I could also decide to link my phone number or my email, but then that is that about that. I'm also on Facebook. You can find ToniosTech on Facebook. Search for ToniosTech on Facebook. Search for ToniosTech on X. Search for ToniosTech on TikTok. I'm on all of those platforms. And I do drop updates like this. And from next year, we're even going in hotter. So from next year, I might probably even be teaching you how you get to, create a YouTube account from scratch, how to start making money with it, and all of those stuff. So for this, I won't create a new YouTube account that I'm going to be using as an experiment or test from this, starting from scratch. Once it's done, so I might probably be teaching it as especially this YouTube automation that is trending here and there and all of those stuff. And for the fact that we know that airdrops are not even really doing that much now. So that is basically that about that. If you're participating on Sidra Chain and you want to complete your Sidra Chain KYC, you can hit me up in the DM. Check the description box for this video. My contact is going to be there. So you check, no, not my contact actually, my Telegram channel. Once you open my Telegram channel and come to my Telegram channel, check the pinned post. You see my WhatsApp contact there where you can message me and get your KYC approved online without visiting a physical center. So that is basically that about that. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell icon to get notifications whenever I upload a new video just like this one.